Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Now, guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys some really good tips and tricks on how to become a better profitable cryptocurrency trader, okay? Now, if you suck at trading, you just don't want to trade, check out the Auto Trader, guys. It's on a special right now, lifetime access, $1,000, okay? So check the link below for that. And also, I'm going to give you guys some tips right now on how to lock in profits, okay? It is currently about, I would say, about 5 p.m. New York time, 5 p.m. in the evening, going in the weekends, guys. Now, if we look at the markets right now, we're going to go over to CoinMarketCap, okay? Now, the markets, it's just a bloodbath, right? It's just a bloodbath. Everything's dumping. The fear and greed is extremely high. Okay, so we've got three things here. I lock profits on this trade, and I'll tell you why I did it and why you should do the same thing going forward, okay? This is from years and years of experience, and sure enough, it played out perfectly, okay? This coin is extremely heated. Now, it's a great project, a lot of hype. It's been running like crazy. It's been running like crazy. I called it in my VIPs, and you can see from about 350K all the way up to 3 million plus. So that's a clean 10x, right? Now, I woke up this morning and I was up in profits up in here, and my gut said, okay, it's Friday morning. The price is just kind of stagnating. There was, I'm going to type in why I sold this, okay? Overheated, in a really brutal market, I'm going to put brutal market, okay? And then you got going into the weekend. That equals low volume. Yeah, the volume's dropping off cliff. Yeah, because it was about 400K earlier, okay? And then you got market sucks, bleeding out, okay? So those are my reasons. Also, there's a bonus reason, actually. There was another bonus reason. There was a news. They said, big surprise, right? You usually sell the news. It's always sell the news, right? It's never a pump on the news, okay? So that is 4 reasons why you should have sold this morning. Like, I don't even have to tell people when to sell. Like, this just comes from experience as a trader, guys. Like, I think this is a great project. Hopefully it goes way up. I hope it goes to, way, way higher. But for the weekend, guys, me and all the smart money, we're exiting, guys. We're exiting. And I just gave you the 3 main reasons. Actually, 4. This was a bonus reason, the news. But sure enough, look at this. It's correcting. So another thing you can do too is you can draw the, what is it, the fib, this one, the trend-based fib extension. Okay, I really like this one. So we'll go from like here, like 277K. Let me draw this for you guys. I'll show you this tool. Very powerful. So come way down here, up to here, and then I don't know like where it's gonna go. Let's just say like maybe like right where that wick was at, maybe a little lower deviation or something. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna come down. This is gonna come down. It's normal. It's not a bad project. But, it might come down, it could do a deviation, something like that, and then it works its way back up, right? So, I don't know, guys. There's a lot of wallets in here that have not sold, so that kind of sketches me out. I've already made profits on this, but the thing is, guys, that's the kind of things that you want to look at, especially going in the weekend. Like, I know some people on this channel, maybe they're getting into coins on the weekend. That sucks because, maybe you saw a tweet on crypto Twitter and you're like, oh man, this coin's going to the moon, and you got the low volume, and then the coins always like pretty much go down during the weekends, right? The low volume, less buying, people are out spending their money, they're partying and whatnot. So trading is extremely difficult, guys. It's not for everybody. If you don't want to trade, just check out my auto trader below. Hopefully you guys got some really good value out of this video. Like I said, I did this back in the day. I got in this coin, it was overhyped. I bought it on the weekend. I put way too much money into it, and sure enough, it just went down. Okay, so now I'm locked into stable coins, and I'm scanning the markets. I'm looking for a better trade, and I usually don't get into trades until like Sunday evening, before the market starts to heat up again. So that's how I trade, weekly. And I hope you guys got value out of this, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.